I don't want to do this. So we have a whole new pattern in store. During the day today, it's been great. We've had some sunshine. We've got some open water showing up on Broadcast Lake now. And we're going to stay somewhat warm. But even though we're above average, that's going to lead us into some other issues for the weekend. Here we are right now with some clear sky in north central Ohio, a little bit of cloud cover along I-70, and then south of that, you've got some clouds as well. In Columbus, you can see the sunshine on the downtown skyline, even though the airport is reporting clouds. 35 degrees at the airport, feels like 29. Wind out of the northwest right now at 7 miles per hour. Your D.R. Horton America's Builder current conditions in Lancaster and Logan are both at 37. Marysville's down to 31. Bucyrus, Kenton, Marion, and Mount Gilead are in the upper 20s. Tonight, no issues. We're quiet. We might even see a few stars now and then. Clouds will kind of come and go, so no issues for your evening or the start of the day early tomorrow morning in Columbus. Evening temperatures will eventually drop into the 20s in the city. We're pretty close to that, even by 7 o'clock tonight. But your overnight low is only going to go to 27. So that's a little bit above average for this time of the year. We'll call it mild because it is above average. And then things will start to change a little bit for the weekend. Here's your Saturday. Southern Ohio is likely to start the day with a little bit of rain, snow mix, even some freezing rain. But the warmer air starts to move in pretty quickly, changes it back over into rain. So we're not looking for much in the way of ice accumulation out of that. However, look what happens in the afternoon and evening. So this is going to be a batch of freezing rain again. This is the part of the pattern that we're not thrilled with because we get this batch of freezing rain. The warmer air then begins to move in, changing it back into rain before it's back into some snow showers on the back end. So this is going to be back and forth a little bit as we go through the day on Saturday. But the bottom line is you're likely to get a little bit of ice accumulation north of Columbus. So along and north of I-70, we could get maybe 1/10 of an inch of ice again. And that'll happen mainly in the afternoon and evening. So that's why the winter weather advisory starts at 1 o'clock Saturday afternoon and it lasts until 1 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. So this is going to be Mount Vernon, Mount Gilead, Marion, Bucyrus, Upper Sandusky, Mansfield, all the way up to the lake. So that's going to be where your slippery-est winter conditions are going to happen. We'll start the day tomorrow in the 20s, but get into the mid-30s by mid-afternoon, and then even in the afternoon and evening, when we get into some of that sleet and freezing rain, temperatures are going to be above the freezing mark, but it's cold above us, so it ends up falling as some of that freezing rain when it hits the surface. 36 degrees on Sunday. Sunday looks like a much better day. 37 on Monday.